Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the exact text or object you want to make clickable, because precision controls the link target. Once selected, press Ctrl+K or right-click and choose Link to open the dialog. This saves time versus menu hunting. In the dialog, pick whether to link to an existing file, web page, or place in this document. Make sure to type the full URL or browse to the file so Word resolves the target correctly and avoids broken links later. Now configure the link details. Type the full URL including http// or https// for web addresses because Word sometimes treats plain text as relative paths. If linking within the document, choose Place in this document and select a heading or bookmark. This creates an anchor that stays accurate as you edit. Click Screen Tip to add hover text that tells the reader what to expect. Once done, press OK to embed the hyperlink, and test it immediately by Ctrl+. Finish by testing the link. Ctrl+Click opens it, so verify the destination loads and the right content appears. If you need changes, right-click the link and choose Edit Link to update the URL, display text, or target. Remove link deletes it. If the link fails, check for common issues: missing HTTP, wrong bookmark name, moved file, or network permissions, and fix the path, then retest. Finally, save the document to preserve your updated links and prevent accidental loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.